In this video, we are going to see how we can quickly fix this error code 272 that appears in Roblox, which says disconnected lost connection due to an error code 272, and it only shows you the option to leave the game or leave button. Here's how you can quickly fix that. So just remember, there is not only one specific fix for this problem which works for everyone. So we will see a couple of solutions that might work for any specific person and some other techniques which might work for someone else. So if you have some external Roblox extension that is installed on your browser, that might be affecting the Roblox in a negative way. So you might need to uninstall or at least pause it for the moment. So if you have some mods that is installed on your computer, just uninstall that or uninstall the extensions on the browser as well. So to remove the extensions, what you do is just click on the three dots on the top right hand corner and head over to the extensions. Here it is. Click on this manage extensions, and whatever extension you have for the Roblox which is conflicting, you might see. What you can do is just turn this off, or if you want that to be removed completely, you can remove it from here as well. So let's say that we want to remove that extension. You can remove it like that. So after that, just close the browser, refresh Roblox, refresh the app by closing it, then reopening it, and that should solve the issue. So if it solves the problem, that is great. But if not, what you can do is just try the other solution, and that is resetting the network adapter settings. So we just right here in the start menu, we basically head over to the settings, and from here on the left hand side, we will see network and internet. Click on that, and we click on advanced network settings here, and from here we scroll down to network reset and click on reset now, and you click on network reset. But just remember that you might need the password to reconnect to the network adapters to re-access the internet. What you can also do is just head over to the network and internet, and you click on the Wi-Fi, and from here at the bottom you click on get help, and it will help you connect to the right network by running some network test, and after that you should be properly able to connect with your network. As you can see, here it is already connected. You can run the network test and try this couple of ways, and after that, once your network is properly loading, you should be able to get rid of this error 272. So if that helps, that is great. Otherwise, let's move to the next step. But just remember, you might need to restart your computer once in order to resolve this issue. Try running Roblox and hopefully the problem should be resolved. Now the next method is try uninstalling and then reinstalling Roblox again. What you can do is just open up the start menu. So the easiest way of doing this is you write Roblox here, right click, click on uninstall, and it will take you directly to the installed apps section. Here you might need to search again for Roblox. Click on uninstall from here, or you can do it from the control panel as well, doesn't matter. So you uninstall from here like this, and you install a fresh copy of it. And also you need to check it in the control panel if it is properly removed. Yes, it is. And after that, you just restart your computer once. Once you restart your computer, just head over to the favorite browser and open up the Roblox with the same ID that you were using for the Roblox. Just start playing any game. Basically, when you start playing the game, it will show you the option that it is now getting ready to load. But once it doesn't find any app, it will automatically show you to download the latest version. We click on the download and we basically install it. And after that, it will take some time to load and install Roblox. So once you're done with that, hopefully it has saved your credentials already and you should be able to log in directly. And if it still is causing the issue and showing you that error, I recommend you to download the Roblox directly from the Microsoft Store. What you can do is just open up the start menu and search for Microsoft Store here. And we write here Roblox. So select the right version, just install it on your computer, and hopefully that should work. And also, most importantly, guys, if you have date or time conflict, it will cause you a lot of issues. So just make sure that your date and time is correct. And once you do that, just try playing the Roblox game and that should work for you. So these are a couple of solutions that might help you to fix the Roblox error code 272. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.